Hey everyone, it's been a while, more than a month. I've been really busy, went to the Costa Brava, visited my family, visited them again a few days ago in the Netherlands. Lots of work over here, of course. And YouTube wasn't that much, unfortunate. But I'm back, and Benidorm hasn't been still at all. Here at the Port Benidorm Hotel, the new bar down there already is open. Wonder if it's open right now. It's in the afternoon. It is 33 degrees today. It's really hot. It's really humid as well. 73% humidity we have, and it feels like it's 41. You're breathing hot air. That is how hot it is currently. But I'm going to take you along the Port Benidorm Hotel and then towards the beach, check out how many people are right up there. So this is that new bar. Vante is it called. You can nicely sit outside, roast away currently, but there's no one outside. Maybe a few people in. It is open. Yeah, it looks quite nice. I think it'll be more popular from September onwards as temperatures will get a little bit more pleasant during daytime. And then we got the hotel itself as well. The big Port Benidorm Hotel. All the new plants really did their work. It really looks nice and green. But let's head onwards towards the beach. And if you enjoy these videos, then please do give them a like. Really helps promoting them on YouTube. Thank you for that. Those ones up front here are heading towards the beach. It's around 4 p.m. I believe. Hottest part of the day. Most people are heading towards the beach a bit later on, I think, instead of right now. Right now it's better to stay at your pool, find a bar during the hottest times of the day. You can also barely see anyone walking on the streets. It really is empty, just a few people around. But it is busy in Benidorm, definitely, especially during the evening hours. That is when everyone comes out. All the water sports, and well, it isn't that busy as I expected. Mostly this part, the ending of it at the Rincon area, is completely packed with people enjoying the sun. But today, as you can see, there's still plenty of space left. I think most of them have left already for a bar or maybe at a hotel pool. We got some police on patrol. It's summer, it's peak season, so they're everywhere on patrol, keeping it safe for everyone. Some of the bars, Stag and Pheasant still. Plenty of seats left, and they have those misters to keep you cool. At the Wild Duck they don't, but you can also see there's hardly anyone in there. But yeah, the beach itself, let's show you guys. There we have it. As I said, not that busy at the beginning. Still quite some crowd. Then we also got the water activities. There is a boat going. I think they're going snorkeling or something along the cliff sides up there. A bit further on. Or maybe even towards the island in the back. Then we've got the cable ski, the water skiing. Platform is quite filled up down there. Of course, some jet skis in the distance as always. But I can't see the parasailing today. Maybe no one is in the mood for that. It is extremely hot out. And I think up there in the sky you would still roast away currently. There we go, the recast. I think it's nice to do a nice stroll along the beach promenade to get a bit of the atmosphere down here. Maybe we'll see something new, but most of it has opened already before summer season. The water sport tents. Here you can get the parasailing and the banana, the fly fish. You can rent your own boat. Plenty of people are about to do that, looks like it. Speedboat tour of 30 minutes, takes you along several islands. It's 25 euros, that ain't that expensive, I think. Lifeguard on duty down there. Yellow flag, but it ain't windy at all. Maybe there's a bit of a current. Oh no, it is a jellyfish. They also have the jellyfish flag hanging just below it. As you can see, it's the white one. But still there are quite some people in the water, despite the fact there are jellyfish in the area. Haven't seen that one that much jellyfish, thankfully. This is the second time since I live here, I believe, in those 3 years. I'm glad it isn't happening that much. Got the sun lounges on the left. Still plenty available. There's 6 a piece still. 6 euros per chair. And if you want an umbrella, that's also 6. And I would recommend it with an umbrella. It's not doable without one. There in the back, some people are heading towards the Oasis Beach Club. It is open, but they're the first ones to arrive down there. Yeah, it's afternoon. It's hot. People are doing other activities. They're sitting in an outside bar currently. Getting towards the pool, cool down at the room in the AC. And those kind of things. Yeah, it really looks empty like this if you see it. Hardly anyone walking around. But it's nice that you got the place a bit to yourself in the heat. If it was also crowded as well, it would feel even hotter. Some restaurants. With the prices, cheeseburger and chips, 11 euros. Famous LA hop. We have still 3 or 4 of them in Benidorm currently. 2 over here. One is just on the other side of the building. That one is on the Avenida del Mediterráneo. This is on the beachfront. There's one in Old Town and one in Poniente, I believe. Some quiet bars here and there. Stack party season is over. Hotel prices have risen quite a lot actually. In summer season it is quite normal to find prices of 150 to 250 euros a night, a room, depending on when you go. And August is going to be even more expensive. That is the most expensive month and the busiest month as well. Love it actually, how calm it is. But it is really hot, so I'm heading towards the Mediterranean underneath the trees to walk a little bit in the shade. I think it's more pleasant down there. Supermarkets open 7 days a week. Veracruz, I believe still on Sundays it closes early, but the sign doesn't say so. We've got Gabby's. Quite a crowd down there, especially compared towards the beach bars. Gabby's always does really well. And because you're just one street back or half a street back, it's also more affordable than directly on the beach. Most of that has to do with the fact that the rent is lower than for an A location. But if you ask me, it's just as nice down there. Tartan bar. More police on patrol. Really is a lot visible during summer down here. And this is so nice about the big shopping street we have down here. All those trees, much more comfortable walking underneath them during the hot days. Quad rentals we have down here. People still do that even in these temperatures. But as I see this, it's quite refreshing maybe if you head through a river. Got the casino down there on the opposite side of the street. Some more shops, you can get all different kind of hats over here. Met 66 bar. Quite some people enjoying some food or some drinks down here. Oh, they have slushies as well. And in the mornings they serve English breakfast with coffee. €8 for full, €6.50 for a small one. Just down there. It's on the opposite side of the alley hop, the second one we have down there. Something that's happening as well, by the way, is this small brown tower up front, in front of the Port Benidorm hotel, is getting new panels on its, on everything literally. It's getting white instead of brown. Probably it'll cool down the building a bit more because the brown really absorbs the heat and holds it. The white reflects it a little bit more. And that's a bit better for it, and especially it looks much nicer. I'll show you guys on the side because there you can really see how much work it goes into it. I'll go a little bit uphill. And here you can see all those scaffolding on the side they have installed. And there as well, it's a big project they're working on, but it will look much nicer. Used to all look like this now. Slowly on it's changing. They also have installed new ACs for the whole building. Big upgrade. Yeah, that brings us back towards Triangle Bar and the Port Benidorm, which is right behind it with its new tower. And the bar that opened down there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I promise the next one won't take as long as this one.